Hello, sweethearts. Welcome to tutorial for Solo by Fonsi. Let's get started. We're going to go over our 3 normal stretch sections first, and then we'll get into the dance bit. So first of all, legs wide apart like always. We're going to take a big inhale. We're going to plie the legs, lift up, breathe in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And then we have a nice shoulder roll back, followed by elbows, and then a full arm stretch. We're going to take the hand on the hip, and we're going to take the left hand up and over all the way to the right side. 4 counts each. Switch. Take that right arm up over to the left side and gather it in. Part 2 of the stretch. We're going to open up nice and wide here with the legs. We're going to go ahead and plie just that right leg. We're going to come down. We're going to switch directions into a right lunge. That right arm's going to come up to the ceiling. Energy out of the fingertips and down. We're going to walk it over to the other side. Find that left lunge, place the palm on the floor. Left arm reaches up, long back leg, energy out of the fingertips. And down. We're going to bring both knees and we're going to roll up and gather in for part 2. Part 3 stretch is our quad stretch. We're going to find our balance. We're going to grab that right foot with the right arm. Left arm's working up. It's going to open in second position for ballet. And then down below, we're going to plie both legs, so bend both legs and switch. Grab that left foot with the left hand. Right arm works up, open, and down. We're going to plie one more time. We're going to interlock the fingers. We're going to press them up, palms up to the ceiling. We're going to lift the shoulders up, and we're going to pull them down. And then we're going to open the arms, and that's part 3. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, and 3, the stretch facing the front, and then we'll get into the dancing. First plie, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders, elbows, arms, left arm up and over, stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. Open wide, chest open, back open, down to the right leg. Turn the hips, right lunge, right arm looks up, energy out of the fingers, long left leg, and down. Switching sides, we walk it over. Left lunge, left arm up, and down to the center, both knees, and we roll up, and we gather in. And part 3, our quad stretch. Grab that right foot, keep it right behind your left arm, works up, find the balance. Keep the shoulders down here, and it opens, and down. We bend both knees, plie, left foot, right arm works up, and open, and down. Plie both legs, interlock those fingers, press them up to the ceiling, shoulders up at the ears, then shoulders lower, and then open, and we get ready to dance. All right, getting into the dancing. This is the little motif we're gonna see throughout the song. It's point, point, and pull in. So the song's actually gonna start with this before our first stretch. We're gonna point, and pull, 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 pull. Little rock. Point right, point left, to the right, to left, to the right, to left to begin. All right, time for the chorus. We're gonna work with a little salsa step. We're gonna start with that right leg forward. We're gonna salsa front and back. Then it's gonna go out and front and back and in. This time the left foot is going to go front, right, back. Left goes side and front and back and in. Now salsa arms are right here. And we're going to add a little heel whenever you want to. So for the first one, we're going to add heel, back, side and front and back and pull. Left foot, heel and back, side and front and back and pull. You can do a heel on that front step as well. Side and front and back. Or just keep it with the toe. Side and front and back and back. Let's see that first part facing front, right and left. Right foot starts salsa, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, pull 8. Left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. A little bit slower. Right heel first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Part 2 of this. We're gonna take it up to the mirror again with the heel. Start with that right foot. It's gonna go front and side and front and side. Walking back, left, right, left, right. Go left foot, heel and front, back, right, left, right, left. Now the arms are just gonna take across the body, both arms, and then over the head and down the body. Pa, 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 pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that second side going into the next new part. So we just came back, left foot. Left and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Heel working up. 2 and 3 and 4. Back, left, right, left foot leads. Now heel and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more part to learn. We're going to come back into that point, point, and pull. We start right, left, pull. Then left, right, pull. Now working the legs first. It's going to go single, single, double, single, single, double. Don't worry about the arms. Single, single, double, single, single, double. We've seen that before. It's kind of like when you're doing the slide step, but we're just doing the legs. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice and slow with the arms. We point. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left, right, double left again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On the first chorus, we do that like that, 2 times each side. Second chorus, 2 times each side. The last time, after our final stretch, we're gonna get into the chorus 2 times. We're gonna take this one, the point, point up to the mirror. So first we do it just here in place, ta, 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 here in place. Again, here in place, pa, 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 ta, ta. This one we take up. Point, point on the diagonal, point, point on the, then back, right, left, double right, left, right, double left, ta, ta. I'm going to show the chorus all the way through the ending with that section that takes it side to side and up. So let's see it facing the front. Chorus through the ending. We go. Right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Left and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Right heel and heel. Walk it back. 2, 3 left heel, heel and heel, back, right, left, right. It repeats. Front and back and front and back together. Left, right, back, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Right heel working up. Walk it left, right, and left heel working up. And right, left. Here we go. And double right, left, right, double left. Again, right, left, double right, and left, right, double. One more time, up, mirror, diagonal, left, right, diagonal, now back, diagonal, and left, right, diagonal, and. So that's all the choreography. We have our stretch into our chorus. We have our side stretches with our lunges into our chorus. We have our quad stretch and balance into our chorus 2 times through, and that's all the choreography for Sola. Let's dance it.